What up YouTube, it's your boy DJ T Supreme coming to you with a YouTube video here. Doing today's unboxing on the SE Electronics Reflection X filter. That's a mouthful. But hey, it's a pretty nice vocal booth that we've got here. I'm adding it to the studio. Right now I had a booth that I was using. I started to use that for storage. So I started using that for storage. And so, I wanted to use my microphone in the open here in the actual studio. I do have some acoustic treatment around the studio, but I felt like I needed just a little bit more to capture some of the reflections because my floors are solid. They are not carpet or anything. So, it's hard to catch the reflections on that. And so the vocal booth, I'm hoping that that will help us out here. So without further ado, I want to talk to you here about Sweetwater real quick. So the boys at Sweetwater, this is where I purchased most of my gear from, and I got the reflection filter from them. So, if y'all need gear, definitely hit up sweetwater.com. This video is not sponsored by Sweetwater or anyone else, but as you see, I've got my t-shirt here. This came in another box here for me. So, definitely support the boys. And hey, Sweetwater, if y'all see this video and y'all want me to do more, hey, definitely send me some gear and I'll be happy to do the unboxings for you. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this unboxing. As you can see here, I've already taken off some stickers that are on here with my personal information and open the box so y'all don't have to see me struggle. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. First here, we've got Sweetwater once again, just showing us some love here, showing us that it's been packaged and signed off by them. So if you ever order from Sweetwater, you're used to seeing these. And we also got one of their magazines here. This is the summer 2021 edition, so I should be coming out with another fall edition here soon as well. Last but not least, we got the Sweetwater sticker. Comes with every package as well. I've got plenty of these, and I definitely do put them on different things. All right, so it's nicely packaged here. Sweetwater does a good job making sure that everything's bubble wrapped. So I got plenty of bubble wrap in here. I also almost missed the candy. Another thing that Sweetwater does. So hey, the boys at Sweetwater, look out for you. I'm gonna say the name one more time, okay? Last time. I'll give this to my son. I got my son here working with me too as well today in this unboxing video. So we'll leave these treats for him today. All right, let's get this thing opened up here. Here we go. All right, here we go by SE. We've got the RFX reflection filter. It's the portable acoustic treatment device. So hey, got the back of it here. Looks pretty good, nicely boxed. Looks like it's only got a couple parts to it. Should be pretty easy to hook up. I'm gonna move this other box out the way. Nothing else in there, so we'll toss it to the side and get this bad boy open. There we go. Straight up. Nicely packaged here by SE as well. Alright. And here we go. Get this plastic off. Alright, so we got the SE filter here. Vocal booth. Inside we got some nice foam here, pretty thick, feels pretty good. Backside here it is plastic, but feels pretty nice though. Looks pretty nice, nice and shiny. Looks professional. Got the SE there in silver. We've got our screw attachments here that we're going to screw into the actual mic stand in just a minute. See what else is in the box. In the box we've got the adjustables here that we're going to use to screw into the mic stand. Got some screws as well. And we just got some paperwork here. Looks like SE gave us some stickers as well. Alright, so I'm going to bring my mic stand over here and we'll quickly get this hooked up and show y'all how it works. Right back. Alright YouTube, so got my mic stand here. I went ahead and took the mic off just real quick So you just unscrew your mic if you have one on already. In my case, I did, so I unscrewed it, put it to the side. If you don't have a mic on, then you should be at this step here. I just put my filter to the side, and I'll readjust this as needed later. So first things first, here on the directions, it says that attach the hardware to the stand, which is done by screwing the bracket on top of the mic stand where the mic or shock mount normally attaches. And there is an adapter in here as well. So if you have depending on what kind of mic stand you have, you may need to leave this adapter in. Mine does not fit with the adapter, so I'm just unscrewing it here. Kind of already started. So if you take the adapter out, that'll give you a little bit more room for connections with the bigger mic stand connection. And we're just going to screw that in now on the bottom here. All right, so I'll just get that screwed in tightly there, and this little knob just helps you to tighten it up, make sure nothing falls. So once you got that good and tight, that's good. Let's flip it over to our other side, see what it says. Step 2, attach the filter to the vertical position of the L bracket by inserting the 2 included screws through the vertical cutout in the L bracket and into the 2 screw holes on the back of the RFX. So, what does that mean? That means basically we're going to use this part right here, and we're going to screw this in here. Turn this around for y'all. So we're going to put this here and line this up here. And we've got 2 screws that came here in this little bag that we're going to use to screw this part in with. I think I just dropped another little part. So keep note, there are some washers. I've dropped 2 so far, but just make sure, be careful, y'all, because in case you may lose these washers, they're always good to have a washer if they give you one. So you want to use those. So I'm just going to hold this here. It's pretty lightweight. If I didn't tell you before, this is very light. I was going to ask my co-producer, my son here, to help me out, but I think I can actually hold this all right and screw this in here. There we go. That's one. Put my washer back on this one and screw this in. There we go. This is adjustable as well, so you can slide this up or down, and I'll get that adjusted later. Just want to kind of show y'all how it works to get it on here. As you can see, pretty simple. We've step 1 and 2, we got that on. Step 3, so our microphone in the shock mount or clip will attach to the hardware with the included standoff. So basically, we're just going to attach the microphone back onto this next part here, which once again is adjustable. I'm just going to push it out to this end part here and tighten it up. From the bottom here, there's a little screw here to tighten it. There we go. Got my Bluebird microphone here. Just going to attach it here, just like I attached it from the original one. And this is the only way I really know how to do it here, is just to take it around with it. I could have took my mic out, but for sake of time, and I'm pretty careful with this, and it's pretty secured in the shock mount, so shouldn't have any problems. All right, we've got about one more time to go around with this thing, and there we go. Tighten it up, and voila. Got my extra shock mount I'll have to readjust here. And that's on my stand. It's standing up by itself. Didn't add too much weight to it. So it does have a little lean to it there. I may have to adjust where we actually put. So on the back here, if you use this, hope y'all can see that little handle here, we can unscrew that some to adjust it, to give it more of a counterweight. There we go. Tighten it back up. There we go. That feels a little bit more sturdy. Just gonna bring up my shock mount now, just because it's nothing but a little screw knob here. And I may adjust this some more here. But for the most part, there we go. So we'll be doing some videos here with some new artists and checking it out and letting y'all see how this works in action. I did snip a little bit of the foam here while I was putting my microphone back in, but it's minor and nothing to be worried about. So if you do that, you know, don't worry about it, and just be careful as you're hooking this up. But you know, that took about 5 minutes, if that, to screw everything in and get it all working here. So once again, this is the unboxing for the SE Reflection vocal booth, portable vocal booth. You know, if y'all have any questions, definitely leave me some comments down at the bottom. I'm gonna bring my co-producer over here real quick. He did a wonderful job holding down the video for us here. Say what's up, Var.
Hello, YouTube.
All right, man. So that's my son here. We're gonna be getting him in the studio as well. So y'all look out for my son, man. You know, he's definitely a up and coming producer on the way as well. So for now, man, we're gonna chime out here, man, and like I said, leave me a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We got more videos coming soon. I got some more boxes upstairs that I'm gonna be showing y'all what I got. So and you know, showing you how to hook it up and you know what uses they may have for the studio. So so once again, that's it for this video, and we'll peace out to the next show.